Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health, right? So students, in this video, we will be starting. We have already started with the triangles, right? In this video, we will be discussing our exercise number 2. Let's start. Question number 1. In angle ABC, name the dash. We have to name. Let's move. It's really fun, right? क्योंकि हमें सारे concepts triangles के बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं, तो हमारे लिए exercise 2 भी बहुत easy होगी. Sides of the triangle. मुझे इस triangle को देखकर I need to mention the sides. Let's start it. What will be the sides? Sides will be AB, BC and CA are the three sides. B. Vertex of the angle. Now I need to mention the vertex. While mentioning the vertex, I will write point A, point B and point C. The third is angles of triangle. In this you can present like this way. Angle A, angle B और angle C. आप या तो इस तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं या तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं और I am saying now other option like A. So here you can write BC, AC, B. This is the second form of writing. Okay? आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप तीन एंगल्स फ्रेम करेंगे और हर एक के सेंटर में जो अल्फाबेट होगा वो हर एक में अलग अलग आना चाहिए. Your question number 2 is classify the given triangle according to their angles. मुझे angles according mention करना है. कौन कौन के? What are the types of the angles? Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. मुझे इन तीन कैटेगरी according I need to classify. The first one is आप देख सकते हैं angle A is 30, B is 120 and C is 40. So आप observe करेंगे B है 110. That is more than 90. So it will be obtuse angle triangle. So I am writing obtuse angle triangle. I am just writing it short. In B, angle triangle PQR. Angle P is 40, angle Q is 90 and angle R is 50. Exactly. यहाँ पर 90 है, so this will be right angle triangle. In this triangle MNP, angle M is 70, angle N is 50 and angle P is 60. आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि जो तीनों एंगल्स है वो लेस देन 90 है. So this will be an acute. Okay. In this angle 90, 40, 50. Again 90, so it will be right angle triangle. In E, one is 130. So it will be obtuse angle triangle. In F, 60, 60, 60. They all are less than 90. So acute. Understood students? Now third question. Classify the given triangle according to the length. मुझे length according करना है. So length according कौन से तीन classifications थे? Equilateral, isosceles and scaling. Remember? Equilateral in that all the sides are equal. See, 4, 4, 4. So this is equilateral. 4, 4, 6. When two sides are equal, then it is isosceles. When all the three sides are different, then it is scaling. Let's turn the page on 161. As you can see, in this 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 190 is there. So I can say that two sides are equal, isosceles. In this, all the sides are different, so scaling. In this, all the sides are equal, so equilateral. Your question number 4 is, check whether the following can be the angles of a triangle. आपको क्या करना है, सबको प्लस करके देखना है कि if अगर उनका टोटल 180 आता है, so you can say yes. If no, then no. In question number 5, find the missing angle is in each triangle. आप एक missing angle find करेंगे. So students, let's solve this one sum in our notebook. So students, on page number 161, we will be solving page number 161. We will be solving question number 5 of chapter number 20, exercise number 2. Let's start it. In first triangle, I am drawing your graph, okay? The angle A is 90 degree. This is 40 degree, angle B. And angle C we are supposed to find. We know that measure angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. एंगल A मेरे पास है 90 प्लस एंगल B है मेरे पास 40. मेरे पास एंगल C नहीं है. I will copy it as it is. Understood, students? Now 90 plus 40, 130. So 130 degree plus angle C equals to 180. Now this 130 will go that side. When 130 will change the side, the operation will be also reversed. At this home 130 is positive. जब वो दूसरी साइड जाएगा, that will become negative. So angle C equals to 180 minus 130 degree. So I can say that angle C is equals to 50 degree. The required angle. So angle C equals to 50 degree. In this way, you will solve the sum. Understood, students? It is very easy, right? Let's solve one more sum. Let's solve the B one. I'm just trying to draw it, okay? You need to draw it with proper scale, pencil and everything. Angle P, angle Q and angle R. 105 and 30 degree. So now I will be doing the addition part. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals to 180 degree. Angle P equals plus angle Q का क्या है 105 plus angle R stands for 30 degree. So now I will be doing the addition. Angle P plus 135 degree equals to 180. Understood, students? Angle P equals to 180 degree. This will go this side. So there will be a sign of minus 135 degree. Angle P equals to 45 degree. So students, I hope this topic is clear very well. So students, let's discuss the remaining sums. So now your homework will be, you will be solving the remaining sums as a part of your worksheet. If you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. So students, bye. Take care. God bless you.